नमस्कार. आम्ही असा एक्वा गोवा मेगा फिश फेस्टिवलान आणि आमच्या वांगडा हा ट्री फाउंडेशनाची एक फाउंडर मेंबर. आम्ही तांकां विचारया की त्यांचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो हांगासर.
It was a wonderful experience here because we were able to display our work, which is marine conservation, and where we are motivating the fishermen along the Goan coast to, when they find anything floating in the ocean, to steer towards it, and if there are any endangered species, pull it to the boat, cut the net, and release the species. So that's why we made all the displays with the ghost net that the fishermen have brought and given us, and we made this. And so many children and students are all coming and taking photos with by the side of the turtle and asking us, what is this? Why this turtle is made with net? So we are able to explain to them how the nets that are carelessly discarded at sea, how they are sort of causing problems for marine life. So we started in 2002. When I stay in Chennai, so near the beach, one day when I went walking, I saw a turtle near the beach. So I walked towards the turtle, and when I went towards it, I found that it was dead. It had injuries. I was very sad to see the turtle, very large turtle, dead and washed ashore. When I asked the fishermen nearby, they very casually told me, oh, this is very common. January to April, a lot of dead turtles wash ashore because they get entangled in the commercial fishing boats, trawl boats. And turtles need to come up to the surface of the ocean every 40 to 45 minutes to breathe. So when they get caught in the nets, they struggle, they expand their oxygen, and they drown and die and wash ashore. And only, like, if 1,000 baby turtles go into the ocean, only one baby turtle reaches adulthood. So every adult turtle is a symbol of 1,000 baby turtles have gone to sea. So I was very upset about it, and I started speaking to the community and involved them in the conservation program. So if you see, we work along Chennai, Chengalpet, Tamil Nadu, extensively in Andhra Pradesh, southern Odisha and Goa. See anything floating in the ocean, they have to take their boat towards it and pull up the net and check if there's any endangered species in it. Cut the net, first near the neck, then around the flippers, and then release the turtle. If the turtle is weak, agitated, rest it for some 5-10 minutes, and then hold it on either sides of the body, like this, and release it back into the ocean. Like this. Not hold it with a flipper and throw it. So these are the protocols that we're following, and fishermen are sending us videos and photos when they are releasing turtles, whale shark, finless porpoise, and tiger sharks and dolphins. We have very good support from the fisheries department. That is why we've been able to do so much work in this short time, and we're very thankful and grateful to the fisheries department for giving us this opportunity. These are the different load-bearing nets, just to show people that we think net means it's only one net, but there are so many thicknesses, so many varieties. All these are part of the ghost net that the fishermen have retrieved and given to us. My message to the children, the future generation, is that we are connected to the ocean. We should understand that our actions on land make an impact into the ocean. So when we throw any garbage, when we throw anything, we should remember that it will get washed into the sea and it will affect the marine life. So it is very important that we are conscious on what we do.
Thank you, ma'am.